The 3 shorts that changed everything. My pivot story. Burnout doesn't end your story. It begins a new one. On November 21st, I shared 3 shorts. Behind those words was a lifetime of burnout, silence, and a turning point at 60. Helping others had emptied me. I thought burnout was the end. But it wasn't the end. It was the beginning of freedom. That short resonated with many, because so many healers carry exhaustion silently. I wasn't alone, and neither are you. The day I realized helping was draining me, I saw the cracks in my own energy. I had given until there was nothing left. That awareness wasn't failure. It was the doorway to change. If you've ever felt drained by giving too much, you'll know what I mean. No one understood my struggle. Not family, not friends. I carried burnout in silence. But silence wasn't the end. It was the seed of change. That short resonated because so many introverts feel invisible. Feeling misunderstood hurts, but it can push us to find a new way to be seen. I pivoted. From healer to digital entrepreneur. I discovered that introverts, empaths, and healers thrive online, faceless, symbolic, authentic. My audience wasn't younger hustlers, it was people between 45 and 65, searching for quiet transformation. The healer to entrepreneur bridge is real. And it's waiting for those who are ready. Your burnout can be the start of freedom. What's your pivot story? Comment below. And if you want the step-by-step, watch this video where I break down how to start your passive income journey.